Welcome back to Green Zone. Today, we're diving into the world of water-grown plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, growing plants in water is an easy and fun way to add some greenery to your space. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the charming African violet. These beauties thrive in water, and all you need is a small cutting with a couple of leaves. Place it in a jar with water, making sure the leaves are above the waterline to prevent rot. Change the water every 2 weeks, and soon you'll see roots sprouting. Next, the arrowhead plant or syngonium is another fantastic option. Its arrow-shaped leaves look stunning in water. Simply cut a stem with a few leaves, place it in water, and ensure it gets plenty of indirect light. Change the water regularly and watch it grow. Asparagus ferns add a fluffy, delicate touch to your home. Snip off a piece of the fern and place it in water. Keep it in a bright spot, but out of direct sunlight. With a little patience, you'll see roots develop. Begonias are perfect for water propagation. Take a healthy leaf cutting, place it in water, and wait for the magic to happen. Begonias love bright, indirect light, so find a cozy spot for them. Chinese evergreen, also known as aglaonema, is super low maintenance. Cut a stem just below a node, place it in water, and watch it thrive. Change the water every few weeks, and you'll have a beautiful, thriving plant. Coleus plants are known for their vibrant foliage. Snip off a stem, place it in water, and ensure it gets plenty of light. Coleus roots quickly in water, giving you a colorful display in no time. Crotons are bold and beautiful with their multicolored leaves. Cut a stem and place it in water, making sure to keep it in a bright spot. Crotons love light, and you'll see roots sprout soon. Dieffenbachia, or dumb cane, is another great choice. Take a stem cutting, place it in water, and change the water regularly. Keep it in bright, indirect light, and watch it grow. English ivy is perfect for water propagation. Simply take a cutting, place it in water, and ensure it gets plenty of indirect light. This hardy plant will root quickly and grow beautifully. Heartleaf philodendron is a classic favorite. Cut a stem with a few leaves, place it in water, and keep it in a bright spot. This plant roots easily and adds a touch of green elegance. Lucky bamboo is a symbol of good fortune. Place the stalks in water with pebbles to hold them upright and change the water every couple of weeks. Keep it in indirect light for best results. The monstera, or Swiss cheese plant, looks stunning in water. Take a stem cutting with a node, place it in water, and watch the roots develop. Monstera loves bright, indirect light. Peace lilies can grow in water too. Place the roots in water, ensuring the base of the plant is above the waterline. Change the water regularly, and you'll have a blooming beauty. Pothos, also known as money plant, is one of the easiest plants to grow in water. Take a cutting, place it in water, and keep it in a bright spot. Pothos roots quickly and is very forgiving, perfect for beginners. Prayer plants are unique with their folding leaves. Place a stem cutting in water and keep it in indirect light. Change the water regularly and enjoy this fascinating plant. Spider plants are great for water propagation. Place the baby plantlets in water and watch the roots grow. Keep it in a bright spot and enjoy its air-purifying benefits. Spiderwort, or wandering Jew, is another excellent choice. Place cuttings in water and keep them in bright, indirect light. Change the water regularly, and you'll have a vibrant, trailing plant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video from Green Zone. Happy gardening, and see you next time!